Evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Fatima. Good evening.
Ma'am, I don't have chart paper. What to do?
Devanshi, if you give Kashi, if you do not have a chart paper, it's okay.
Good
It's
evening,
okay.
ma'am.
Not
Okay.
a problem. Not a problem. We are going to draw on a A4
Good morning.
sheet.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. All of you keep your scale ready. Do not forget your scale. Just keep your scale ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Let's start with our session. I'm muting you all. In case you haven't arranged the material that is displayed on the screen, you can just go right now and gather the material for yourself. I'm just starting with the introduction. In case you are unable to arrange something out of the list, don't panic right now. Just gather all you can and just observe what ma'am is doing. You can always repeat it later on. Okay. So let's start with our introduction. Welcome everyone to Podium Supera. Podium is a super achiever led educational platform for co-curricular content taught by the world's best teachers. Also, we are extremely happy to announce that Podium is launching their first batch of courses in the second week of November. And the courses are creative writing, calligraphy, contemporary dance, speech and drama, chess, kathak, drawing and painting. These programs will be taught by the world's best teachers, as you can see them on your screen, and we look forward to seeing you participate in these programs. You can visit our site, that's podium.school, for more information and for availing special discounts. You can also contact on the number that is displayed on your screen for any enquiries related to these courses. So guys, coming to the instructions for today's session. In today's session, we will begin with our faculty's teaching. While the teacher is teaching you, you all will be on mute. If during that time you have any questions or any queries, kindly type them out in the comment box. At the end of our session, we will be unmuting everybody for the interactive section and you can ask whatever you feel like at that time. So today we have with us Ms. Grishma Chandaria. Ms. Grishma is founder of House of Art, an online platform showcasing her talent and beautiful artworks by her students. She was also a teacher at the Rubai Ambani International School and has been practicing as an artist and a teacher for more than a decade. We have had Grishma ma'am before also, and on your special request, we have her back with us today. On behalf of Team Podium, I thank Ms. Grishma for joining us today. Welcome, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, Simran, so much. So guys, without wasting much time, because last time we extended the entire batch because a lot of people could not finish. So let's start, and it's a Diwali day. So hope nobody's bursting crackers, right? It's no cracker. It's a green Diwali which you all have to maintain this year, correct? So let's begin our green Diwali by lighting diya and making wonderful card for our loved ones. So I hope everybody has their paper ready, which is A4 size sheet. Now, please get a scale. If you guys have a scale, please get a scale. I'll wait for a minute so that everybody can settle and get your scale. Okay. Once that now everybody has got a scale, let's start the class. One finger over here on your extreme left, you make a line. You make a line like this. I'll just zoom in the screen. and draw a border. Take a scale and draw a border, which is 1 finger. So draw a border, straight line, draw a border. I'll use a darker pencil so that you guys can see it better. You guys don't do it very dark, okay? Just do it very, very lightly. Just repeating myself, 1 finger space, okay? That's just a 1 finger space border. Now let's start with your flowers, okay? So what we are going to do is, we are going to make 2 fingers over here at the end of the paper and make a dot. At the end of the paper, you keep your 2 fingers, make a dot. Draw a semicircle over here. Semicircle, like a D. So it will look like a D to you. Now from here, again keep 1 finger, make a dot. Now just look here, guys. A second look, everybody. Now where the dot is there, till there I will make a heart-shaped petal, which will look like a W. It is on a A4 sheet. You have to draw on an A4 sheet. Yes, you can use watercolors. Yes, we are making card, which is on a A4 sheet. Now, if you saw, I'm repeating myself, 2 fingers here. I made semicircle. I put 1 finger on my border, and that's where I made a heart-shaped petal. Now continue heart-shaped petal around the flower. So you might get 3 to 4 petals, depending upon your size. Now again, let's draw another flower. Now wherever your flower is ending, put 4 fingers over there, make a dot there. Yes, you can use A3 page. So what you do is, if somebody who has A3 page, fold the A3. Use the half of A3, that will become A4. So look here, guys. If you have A3, A3 is very big. So see, if I zoom out, this is your A3 size. So fold your paper. When you will fold your paper, the half of A3 will become your A4. So no problem, you can use that. Okay, now that we are done with it, yes, border should be 1 finger size. Now, after you guys have left 4 fingers and made a dot, Again, keep 2 fingers over here. You remember how we did the semicircle for the flower? It was 2 finger space. So 2 fingers here, make a semicircle. Again, 1 finger on down and 1 finger on the top, so that you can get the size of the petals properly. The same way how we did the top flower, we continue with the below flower. You can use color paper sheet also. That's completely fine. Now again, similar repetition. How many fingers we left? If you remember, from 1 flower, we left 4 fingers. So similar, after this flower finishing, we leave 4 fingers and make a dot. Then same way, 2 fingers again and make a semicircle. Now 1 finger below, 1 finger on the top, so that you know the size of the petals, how big or how broad to do it. Now remember guys, there is minimum 4 to 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minimum 5 petals or 4 petals it should be there. Now the last flower. Here you will keep 2 fingers in the end and make a semicircle. The semicircles are all of, if you guys have a shorter paper and you don't have a space below, it's okay. Sometimes A4 size, some people get a smaller size if you're using a colored paper. So it's fine. Do not panic that miss, I don't have space. It's completely fine. Yes, Arav, I'm waiting for you. Now, same way, you leave 1 finger on the top and continue with your heart-shaped petal. Anahita, Maya, Keshav, Sehesyar, all of you understanding it? You guys can give me a thumbs up if you all are okay. Akshita, Arav. Good. If you guys are understanding it, give a thumbs up so I know. that you all are following my instructions. Brinda, Pratham, Vanshika. Okay, guys, cool. So now we have finished the border and now we have finished the flowers. All right. Okay, Sandy. I hope you guys are understanding. Josna understanding. Divyanshi, all right. Very good, very good. I can see 2 thumbs up coming up. Okay, good. Rashmi, Shrinjita, understood better, all of you? All right. Great. Great, great. I can see a lot of kids work and I can see thumbs up. Yes. All going great then. Now, let's continue further. Okay, I'll try to increase the volume. I think it's the... Okay. Now, this is the highest volume what I am using now. Okay, fine. Now, everyone, let's go back to the lettering. If you guys have the original picture or the reference picture, you know it is written as a Shubh Diwali. Okay, so what are we going to do is we are going to use our scale. We are going to use 2 finger space of ours and make a line right in the center of the page. 2 finger space on the top and make a line, just a dash. Now you keep your scale right here and draw a line till 12 centimeter. 12 centimeters. So I am marking it 0 and 12. So all of you can understand. Nobody has to write it. I am writing for your reference. You do not write it. You just draw 0 and 12 centimeter. You just draw a line. It's right in the middle of the paper so that we can write Shubh Diwali. Now, I'm going to erase my measurement. Now, let's write everybody Shubh Diwali. So now how you're going to write is, first, write S. Lot of smaller kids, if you don't know how big the alphabet should be, then what you can do is you can keep 1 thumb finger and draw a parallel line. If you think that miss, till what length S should be done, and if people are confused, then you can keep 1 thumb and draw a parallel line to the above line. So you know your S will end here. Vidhi, Vanshika, understanding? Sheshyar, Rishvi, Ayana, yes. Remember, it's 1 thumb. So you can make a parallel line. So you know your lettering has to be this long and not small, big, fat, thin. No. Lettering needs to be done very nicely. Now let's do H. So H goes up a little and down. U touches up and down. B extends up and down. H goes up and down. Okay, let's start Deepavali. So leave little space and start with your D. D ka matra goes up. E is like this way. P goes down and half till here. A, if you guys are little not finding it difficult, you can write a normal A also. If you want, you can extend it down also. So it's either or. You can write even a basic A if a lot of people are not understanding. V, A, L is longer. You can extend the line, and I. You can erase the lower line, which was only for your reference, and redraw the lines which have got erased. If you guys feel you are not able to fit in your Deepavali spelling here, you guys can erase Deepavali. You can pull it down and write it. Shubh you can write up, and Deepavali you can write below. If that is a case which is happening. Arav, yes, I can repeat the steps. The step was you had to leave 2 fingers from the top before starting your lettering. So everybody can go through what Miss has done. Miss did a 12 centimeter line first in the center and did 1 finger parallel line so that I know how long my alphabets should be. So I did a parallel line, which I erased right now. I did a parallel line. Then I started writing my letters. Yes, you can write Happy Diwali instead of Shubh Deepavali. But make sure it has a beautiful lettering style. Now guys, let's begin further. We will give you some 2 minutes. I hope everybody has cleared on the Shubh Deepavali lettering. I will zoom in so you guys can see the lettering more clear. No, upper line you do not have to erase, Divyanshi. This lettering is called as a Samarkand lettering, which is a style of Hindi and English alphabet mix. So we do not erase the above line. Like how we write Hindi, we make a line above, you will keep that. It's a Samarkand lettering style. So leave it like that way. The line above. I hope it's okay. If you have erased it, draw it. It's not a problem. You can always redraw, no, beta? I hope Arav is with me now, because Arav asked me to repeat the steps. So I hope you have reached till here. I've erased the lower lines. Now guys, your picture will look something like this. Now let's begin your diya and the lotus. Your scale again, all of you. Everyone with your scale. Okay. Now, somewhere which is on the second flower, where my second flower is there, somewhere there, I will keep my scale. You know, you have to go on the top, right in the center. But somewhere it should be second flower ka. Second flower from the last. Second last flower. Somewhere you keep a scale there and make sure your 10 is coming in the center. Not side mein, not right. Right in the center, your 10 is coming. Draw a line. Now see, I'm going to draw a line from 0 to 10. I am writing it so that you guys can see it. 0 to 10. Remember, I have lot of space below. ये दो flower के बीच में I have done this line. So remember doing a line right in the center between these 4 flowers. The measurement of the scale is, or the line is 0 to 10 centimeter. Now, while you're holding this, mark it at 5. Mark a dot at 5. Half of 10 is 5. So mark a dot at 5. Rishwi, Arna, Natali, understanding? Divya, hope all of you are understanding. You can write okay, or you can show a hand that things are going smooth and you're understanding. Okay, Khushi is saying okay. Good, guys. Great, Panya. Very nice. Very good, Natali. Yes, Arna, I can see. Divya, I can see, giving a thumbs up. Great, guys. Now, at 5, you keep your scale straight and mark it at 7. Remember, mark it at 7. Keep your 0 on 5 and keep your scale standing and mark it at 7. Even if your paper is small, it's okay. 7 centimeter, is it covering 7 centimeter? If not, then extend the diya till the last, even if your paper is small. Yes, beta, what I mean to say is, if this was 5, you have to keep it on 0 and you have to mark it at 7. So like a line, if you guys want to do a line also, I don't mind. A standing line and mark it at 7. And people who have less space, so you do a straight line till the end of the page. If your page is short and if it's ending here, to make a line till the end of the page, it is completely okay. Okay, Pranav, I hope you understood. Your query was solved. Now, let's draw Diya ka curve. So curve here and half curve here. So what we are trying to do is, okay, Arnav, you are following now, so great. Now, after at 5, where your center dot is, you can make a flame on the top as long as possible, but very thin flame. You can reach it to the Shubh Dipavali also, like a thin flame. Yes, I'm waiting, Inaya, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Okay, Arav, you can follow. That's really nice. Yes, you have to join the line of 7. If you want to, you can. Eventually, the straight line would be erased. So don't worry. If you have done the straight line, it is only for your reference or for your understanding, because there are mixed age group, correct? So everyone will not get the measurement. So we have done a straight line only for our understanding. Okay, beta? And you can keep the line. We will erase later. Yeah, it's okay if your diya is a bit too long. It's okay. No problem. If you have done a elongated deep diya, it's okay. Okay, now guys, once this is done, I am starting. I'm making a dot over here. The dot which was below. All of you remember dot which we made. Now, little below this line, you make one more dot. Right on the same line, but little below the diya ka mouth. And I draw lotus out and out. Join the dot. Make a center petal. Join this dot and join to the last dot. Make sure there is little space from the mouth of the diya. I have one finger space. You can also have little more. Now let's begin my right side petal. All of you just pay attention, 2 minutes. Stop doing whatever you are doing. Sanvi, Sheshyar, Sanvi, Divya, all of you just 2 minutes to understand what Miss is doing. Right side petal Miss will do. That's okay. Now, I am going to do and join to this dot. So see, out, curve and join to this dot. Then again, out. I will go little down, out and join to this dot. Now out, because it is touching my diya ka body, and touch to this center dot. So draw the right side of petals. Now start, all of you. I am writing the numbers. Some might get 4 petals. Some might get 3 petals. This number is for the reference. Arna, Natali, Rashmi, understanding. Whosoever is BS, understanding. Shivansh, are you drawing or you're just sitting and observing? Is Shivansh drawing? Okay, very good, Shivansh. Very good, Divyanshi. Rahini, Keshav, Mohammad, are you guys understanding? Because your cameras are shut. So hopefully just give a thumbs up if you're following the instructions. Inaya, are you understanding? Because you were the one who were not getting it. Yes, Vrinda. Yes, Arunima, it is correct. Now let's go on the left side of the petal. All of you now pay attention again. Before you start drawing, do not draw with miss. Pay attention here. If miss has done right has 3 petals, then left will also has 3 petals. So 1, touch to the dot. Start from the petal, touch to the dot. Touch the body of diya, touch to the dot. So 1, 2, 3. It's symmetrical. Left be same, right be same. So if you guys have done 4 petals, yours will also come 4 there. Make sure it's symmetrical. Symmetrical means left is equal to right or same. So remember that. Vidhi, Divya, Joshna, understanding? Maya, Ram versus Ravan, are you understanding? Okay. Akshara, you can show me a thumbs up. You can write a chat that means you're understanding. Whatever, whosoever, Fatima. Now, the petals of the lotus are over. Now, let's begin the open petals which are below. Okay. So, right over here, I will draw like a leaf shape down, broad to narrow, right in the center. Right in the center. So the top and niche ka part. Now left and left, 2 petals. And right, 2 petals. Now I'm erasing the center line, guys, which was my understanding. I'm erasing my center line, the center line in between the lotus petal. If you guys have also done the center line, please erase. Okay, everyone. Now, from this diya, you're going to draw mouth of diya, which is curve on your left, curve on your right. The top part of your diya. And you can erase the sleeping line. Okay, guys, now finished with this. Mouth is done. Now, everyone, remove your black felt pen if you have. If you have a pen, you can outline everything. If you do not have, then also it is okay. You can outline just the diya. Take a black sketch pen, outline it. Ideally, if you are painting it, then you require a marker pen. I am going to show you guys brush pen and sketch pen. So if anybody has brush pen, then you can remove brush pen also. If you have color pencils, you can remove color pencils also. Or painting, you can do painting also. Whatever you want to do. Now I've outlined my diya. You guys can also start outlining it. Guys, hopefully you are outlining along with me. Just outline the flowers and diya. Do not outline Shubh Dipavali. You can do it with a fat marker because that has to stand out. Any kind of a pencil lines are there, you can erase it out so that your card looks neat. Okay, guys, done with that much. Now if anybody has brush pen, then please remove your brush pen. You guys can remove your brush pen, black, dark gray, whichever color, and write Shubh Dipavali with black brush pen. So it stands out. Even if you have like a fat black marker, you can do that also. Yes, you can use a broad marker. You can use, oh, your black brush pen does not have ink, then it's okay. Divyanshi, you can use a black fat marker to write Shubh Dipavali. Yes, Monal, you are supposed to outline everything, beta. Okay, I'm going slow now. Rishvi. So I'm waiting for you guys now. Don't worry. I'm waiting for you guys before I start. Tyra, you did it, beta. Kiara. Tyra. Radhika. Rishwi. Maya. Understanding. Arunima. Yes, very good. Anahita. Arunima, are you understanding drawing the lotus? Outlining it. Sheshyar, are you understanding, beta? Yes, Rashmi. Whosoever. Yes, lovely. That's really, really good. I can see Shubh Dipavali and the Diya. Very nice. Okay, guys. Continuing further. Okay, guys. Now, everyone, I hope everything is finished till here. Shubh Dipavali is done till here. Now, if you guys have paint, remove paints. If you guys have brush pens, remove brush pen. Or you have color pencils, remove color pencils. Whatever you have, you can use it. Now, I am using paints, poster paint. This is a goldenish color. So if anybody has golden color, bronze color, can use bronze color. But if not, you can paint ochre yellow in the border, which looks like a goldenish color. It's okay if you do not have a fat marker, beta. Yes, Vidhi. I saw yours. Let me see, Vidhi. I'll see yours. Yeah. Vidhi, you can show me. I can see yours. Yeah, lovely it is looking. Very nice. Now, everybody can paint the border contrast color. But if you're using a colored paper, then what you guys can do is for the colored paper, use whichever contrast color. If your color paper is pink, you can use orange. If your color paper is blue, you can use dark blue or purple. If your paper is white, plain like me, you can use ochre yellow or any color, which gives you a goldenish look. You can also use other yellow, no problem, as long as it's bright and nice. If anybody has a neon color, use neon also. You are free to use your color shades. Yes, you can use oil pastels. People who have oil pastels, use oil pastels. Yes, you can use ochre yellow. I have used ochre yellow only. With orange, beta, you can use red. It will look bright and good. Or even pink. I'm calling Sada. For what? Aradhya, for black pencil, for what? Orange paper, you can use red, right? Yes, you can use red. Black pencil for what, Aradhya? We have to outline it. So it stands out much better. But yes, if you do not have anything, it's okay. You can do it with black color pencil then. Orange paper, you use red or pink, whatever you want it. Border. Yeah, you can use for the border. Yes. Aradhya. Now everyone, the diya color would be ochre yellow color. So I can put ochre yellow color over here for my diya. Lightly, make sure you do lightly. Put little water in ochre yellow and do it lightly. Not very dark. Just in the body of diya, not in the mouth. Now I can put yellow for my flame, basic yellow color for my flame. Now I will use my brown brush. If you guys have a sketch pen or something, or a brush pen or anything, or if you have a pink paint, you can do pink paint also. So I will outline my flower with pink. You just can outline with pink. You just have to outline with pink, not paint the entire lotus pink. If anybody has a pink brush pen, you can use pink brush pen. Like Miss has pink brush pen, which I'm using. But if you do not have, you can outline with the pink paint. But leave the center space as white because you want to show the light effect. You guys can outline the flower with pink color. It is lemon yellow for the flame, chrome yellow for the body. Yeah, you can use lemon yellow brush pen for the flame also if you have a brush pen. Beta, we can't make ochre yellow color. If you have to make ochre yellow, matlab you have to take yellow and add a tinge of little brown. But that also will not give you an exact ochre yellow color. Now, everyone take a brown paint and outline your diya with brown. Mouth of diya, use the tip of the brush to outline. Now, guys, if you want to, these are the flowers. Now, you can take your black pen only and do patterns in the flower. Create double line effect. Double up the flower with your black pen itself. And you can create patterns. So you can keep doubling up of your flowers. Inside this circle, you can make circular patterns, circles filled up inside. Fully filled up inside. So can you see how pretty your flower looks now? So if you feel you don't want to do this pattern, you want to do some other pattern. Yes, ochre yellow is for diya only, beta. Then you are free to use any other patterns also. Yes, yes, you can use brush pen for the entire picture. And take your black pen and create patterns in your flower. So it will give you a nice effect. Yeah, Pranav, thank you. Bye. I'm sure, Rahini, your art would be also as good as mine. And with practice, you will do much, much better art. So guys, always remember it's a practice. You have to keep practicing art. And guys, if you want to add a starry effect on the card, like golden pens if you have, or any kind of a glitter pens you have, you can create nice tiny star effect. And you can add your thing. It's not compulsory you have to do exactly what Miss have done. You can keep adding your stuff. Now my flame looks very, very yellow. So I can use my orange paint or my orange brush pen to give a little orange effect below. So it looks blended, orange and yellow flame. Now guys, I'm sure everybody would have red sketch pen or red paint or a red brush pen. So all of you can just make few dots like a triangular format. 3 dot scattered everywhere like a triangle. How the therefore sign is, it's like a therefore sign. As it's a festive color, I'm using red. Make sure your paints and all are dried and use these dots scattered everywhere. Shrinjita, Radhika, I hope you guys are understanding. Anahita, Vidhi, beautiful Rashmi, I can see your work, lovely. Also add the therefore sign with red brush pen or red sketch pen. Very good Rashmi, very nice. Yes, Arunima, lovely guys, all of you have done a beautiful job. I'm very, very happy to see everybody's work. Akshara, sweetie, Shesharyar, I hope you guys are doing it better. Understanding everything. Yes, Vanshika, lovely. Khushi, very nice, beta. You still are coloring, so finish your coloring. Arna, Natali. Inside the bud, inside the, you are talking about this? Yes, you can do inside the bud. Okay, inside I've done circle, circle, circle. See, I'll zoom in, guys. I've done plain circles. If you guys understand, there was a question that what have you done inside? Yeah, Divyanshi, inside I've done only circles. I've made close circles touching each other as a pattern. Can you see that, Divyanshi? As I've zoomed in the camera for you. Yes, you can do straight and slanting lines. Of course you can. Akshita, Avni. Okay, Radhika. In flower petals, it is pink, beta. Below also it is pink because it is lotus. Okay, here in this flower, if you're asking, it's I've just doubled up the heart shape. If you're asking this, it's doubled up. But yes, you can make more patterns. If somebody is asking me more patterns, yes, you can make these lines coming out of the flowers. You can create your own pattern style. No problem. In the flower petals, which color we have to do? Lotus is pink, beta. Flower we are not coloring. We are leaving it as black and white. Different flower patterns is completely okay. You can always experiment your creative side, not follow what teacher does. You can use your own patterns. You can make lines, different lines in the petals. Okay, guys. So hopefully everybody has done the card. Now we can ask Simran to unmute everybody, and if they have questions.
Sure, ma'am. So, guys, when you are done with your cards, kindly post them on Instagram or Facebook, whichever platform is comfortable to you, suitable to you. You can post that on Podium School page, Podium School group if you are there. Also, you can post it on Instagram and tag Podium School for us to showcase your work. And thank you, Grishma, ma'am. It is a beautiful card, indeed.
Thank you, Simran. Kids, anybody has any question?
Yes, ma'am. So, guys, you can raise your hands and I will just unmute you. Yes, Divyanshi, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, when I start drawing and I start especially painting, like even this time, ma'am, can you see my painting? What happened? Ma'am,
Divyanshi, no, this is, wait,
Yes, ma'am.
Divyanshi. Okay, yeah, Divyanshi, show me.
This part got spreaded out.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay, beta. It's okay.
It starts coming out like I tried to put it with water and it came out over here. I put it whitener and took it out, but it was looking very weird. Any ideas what I can do for this?
Okay, zoom out your work so at least I will know a little
Yes.
better what you are showing. Wait, Divyanshi, hold on, okay. I can see it. Hi, Divyanshi. Show me the purple color you are talking about, no, which is come
No,
out.
ma'am, ma'am, the orchid yellow.
Yes, beta. So that color is come out, beta. You can just, is it you have done painting, no?
Yes, ma'am, I've done painting and brush pen.
Okay, so what you can do, if it is come out little, you can add a little white over there, or better, if you will try to put more water, it will spread more. So according to me, just put little water there on that color and try to dab and remove off the excess color.
Ma'am, can I just put whitener? Because when I tried putting water, it started coming out from this side also. First it came this side, I put it whitener and took it. When I put it water, it started coming from this side also.
No problem, beta. Then you can.
So ma'am, this is dark color fine.
Yeah, it's fine, beta. It's looking lovely, Divyanshi. Very nice. Very nice. It is looking. Yes.
Okay, Vanshika, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, can I show you my
Yeah. Vanshika. Yes, Vanshika, you can show me your work. Let me come to your screen. Vanshika. Beta, you are with a similar name only, Vanshika. Beta, who's, I can see Brinda. Where is Vanshika?
Grishma, ma'am, I have spotlighted her video, so you can see it.
Okay. Yeah. You are right. I can see. Yes, Vanshika. It's a blue color. Very nice. Beautifully done.
Ma'am, I have put patterns on the petals also.
Oh, lovely. That looks gorgeous, Vanshika. Very, very nice. I love the color combination. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent work, Beta. Yeah.
Yes, Arav, you can ask your question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't have any, pens and brush pens.
Okay. So, Arav, you can do color pencils. You have color pencils at home?
Yes, ma'am, I have only a color pencil.
Okay. So, what you do is once the class is over, you sit with your color pencils and you do fully with color pencils, Arav. Also, you can ask your mom to buy a set of brush pen, right? So that would be great.
Sure, ma'am. But ma'am,
You can-
I have done everything with the color pencils, but something is weird with the yellow. I don't know what happened when the yellow and orange mixed together.
the orange and yellow mixed together looks like a very plain color. It will look very pretty. So if you've done with oil pastels, it will look very nice. Show me your work. I can see your work, Arav.
Ma'am, it just needs to be completed. I don't have any. I haven't completed the outer lining of the, the brush pen part of the
Okay.
part of the two spaces yet.
Okay, Arav. So what you do is you finish your work and you post your work on Podium. You get back to us so that I'll give you the correction and send you back. All right?
Okay, ma'am. Can you make a Facebook group?
Yeah, on the Facebook group you can put it up. You can talk to Simran ma'am and Simran ma'am will show me your work, your Shubh Deepavali card, okay? And I'll give you the correction.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, your voice is a little low.
Okay, no problem. Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. Srijanita, you can ask your question.
Yes. This is my
Oh,
card.
beautiful, Shrijinta. It is amazing. I love the color combinations and very nicely done. Neat work. Very good, Shrijinta. Proud of you, beta. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Yes, Anaika, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, I just wanted to show you my drawing card.
Okay. Yeah, Anika, show me.
Ma'am,
It's so cute.
Ma'am,
Really nice. I love the colors. Is that peach color what you have used?
yes, ma'am.
Pinkish, peachish you have used?
Yes, ma'am. This is a ma'am brush pen.
Oh, lovely. So guys, next time please get your nice 24 set brush pens. So how Anika has used beautiful colors for making cards. You guys can also use those colors. It's lovely, Anika. Also, if you
Thank you.
guys, very nice. Guys, you guys have another A3 paper also. So if you want to gift somebody, stick your paper on that colored paper and you can gift it to somebody, okay? That the chart paper was for that, to look like a border effect, a colored border effect.
Okay, lastly, Anna, do you have a question? Okay, no. Yes, Sanvi, you can go last. Okay, we will close. Sanvi, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am, this is Monal.
Yes, beta.
I just wanted to show you my painting.
Oh, gorgeous, Monal. That's really nice. It looks bright on the orange card. It really looks like a Diwali. You can you can pin it on a board and it really looks nice. You can use some glitter also if you want to add, little glitter dots and all.
Yes, ma'am, I
If
do
you
it.
have, if you have those glitter pens or gold and silver pens, you can do that. Very good model. Very nice. Keep it up better.
Okay, guys, I guess we are done with the questions. Kindly post your work. We would love to see your work and showcase it on our platforms. And thank you so much, Grishma ma'am. It is always wonderful to have you in the class.
Yes, Simran, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And happy Diwali to all of you. And I am just unmuting you guys so that you can say thank you and goodbye to ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Wow, this was so good.
Happy ma'am.
Happy Diwali.
I have a lot of fun, ma'am.
Yes. Happy Diwali.
Ma'am, I have
You-
my painting. Ma'am, my painting.
Yes, I.
Guys,
Yeah,
bye bye.
Fatima.
Happy Diwali.
Awesome painting, beta. I saw your painting, Fatima. Karima.
Thank you for
Very
happy
good
Diwali.
evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.